welcome, welcome, welcome everybody. Whenever you have time to see the responsible people here, thank them that today we have no plastic bottles. Bravo, no plastic bottles. Bravo, bravo, bravo.
Finish plastic. No more plastic.
And yes, please allow us, please let us welcome most warmly Dr. Rajesh Dixit.
Thank you. My topic is love, poetry, and arts makes world dignified. Okay, so I want to give you an exercise. And please shut down your eyes for 2 minutes and think about love. In your opinion, what is love? Either in one word or in one sentence, not more than one sentence. So after 2 minutes, I'll start this. Please sit and please shut your eyes, because if you want to go intense, if you feel anything intense, please shut your eyes and think about love. How you define? You can write down this word on your hand also, or on your mobile, or on your head, in your head. Please don't change your word or your definition after listening someone other. Suraj, this exercise also for you also.
And how would I think that?
Just
I'll try.
think. So now we start. Start from Pranjali. One word for love or one sentence. How you define?
Love is something which you can't express in words. You can only show it.
So love is a mother punishing her child is the love.
Sir, the love is what we do, जो माँ बाप से जो प्यार करके जो लगाव होता है वो प्यार है.
Sir, love is sometimes strength, sometimes weakness. Something that is unconditional.
Something which cannot be defined in words.
It's a feeling, but it's something that we all know what it is, but it is very difficult for us to define it, like freedom, leadership.
I want to show it with a movement because you feel feelings in your body, feelings in our body. Okay. It's a stream. It's coming from inside, outside, from this place. Stream.
Love is sacrifice.
Love is meat.
What does that mean?
So your love for me as your daughter is a myth. Love is respect and understanding.
Simply love is caring about a person.
Love is unconditional feelings.
Love is emotion and weakness also.
There was this incomplete legal definition of what the sentence should be in. Is it English or what? My natural language is this. And I actually have a haiku in sign language. So what love is. So, this is a person, so me,
Yes.
and you, and everybody,
Yes.
and the link between us and between all of us.
Someone smiles because of you.
Love is a feeling of togetherness.
I think of the Buddhist concept of loving kindness.
Sacrifices of our parents.
Understanding to each other.
Love is life.
Love is unconditional and feeling.
Love is selfless, and love is not selfish.
Love is feel and togetherness. If love is true, it is immortal and it is divine. Love is variety of different emotions. Love is to create and feel the beauty of life.
Love is mom.
Love is that feeling that you can't control.
Love is sacrifice.
Love is something which cannot be expressed in words.
A fight turning into a lesson is love.
Love is a feeling, but first of all, it is a decision to get your ego out of the way and to embrace the entire world and all creations with your soul and your arms and everything you have.
Thank you very much to all. This is not words. This is you. What you say is you. So this is the definition of love. This present, it reflects you. Think after some days that is your definition change or not. If your definition change, it means you are developing. You are developing day by day. If you think that your word is still it means you got something. You got something. Okay. Now I want to start a story with a story. There was a person who want to meet to God, and he listen about Lord Buddha. You go there and tell that I want to meet God, please help me. Buddha smiled and asked, are love in your mother? If your mother died, can you die? He said, no, I love to my mother, but it's not possible that she died and I died immediately. Okay, then are you in love with your friend that he died and you died? He said, no, it's not possible. Then Buddha said, anybody in the world that when he died, you immediately died? He said, no, but I want to meet God. Buddha replied, it's not possible, because if there is seed, I convert into tree, but you have no seed. आपके अंदर ऐसा कोई बीज ही नहीं है जिसको मैं वृक्ष में परिवर्तित कर सकूं। अगर आप किसी को इतना चाहते हो दुनिया में कि वो ना रहे, तो आप भी अपने रहने की कल्पना ना कर पाए, तभी आप भगवान को प्राप्त कर सकते हो, जिसको आप भगवान कह रहे हैं। अगर आप उसको प्राप्त करना चाहते हैं, सबसे पहले आपको प्यार को प्राप्त करना होगा, आपको अपने आप को प्राप्त करना होगा। जो उन्होंने कहा था, बुद्ध सेड दैट आत्मदीपो भव, delight yourself first, then you already become what you want. Soham, जो in Vedas we read, Soham, I am that, जो वो है वही मैं हूँ। तो no one can define anything in words. There are a lot of definitions, and they are exactly right that you can't define anything in words, either love, hate, or anything, because you think in sign and symbols and express with words, and there are a huge difference between sign and words. Due to your ignorance, due to your lack knowledge, due to your personality, due to your conceptions, there are many things. What you think you can't define in words. So, first thing, what is love? For myself, what is love? I am calling to my wife and requesting to sing a song. That is love. Please, Dr. Amita Nirav, come and sing a song. Only 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. It's my love. You know, it's my love, one-sided, unconditional. It's my.
This is from my side.
Okay.
रोज रोज डाली डाली क्या लिख जाए, भंवरा बाबरा बाबरा, रोज रोज डाली डाली क्या लिख जाए, भंवरा बाबरा बाबरा, कलियों के नाम कोई लिखे पैगाम, कोई कलियों के नाम कोई लिखे पैगाम, कोई बाबरा भंवरा बाबरा, रोज रोज डाली डाली क्या लिख जाए, भंवरा बाबरा बाबरा, बीते हुए मौसम की
गरेगा मेरे निमा गरेगा बीते हुए मौसम की कोई निशानी होगी दर्द पुराना कोई याद पुरानी होगी दर्द पुराना कोई याद पुरानी होगी कोई तो दास्ता होगी ना रोज रोज डाली डाली क्या लिख जाए बाबरा बाबरा बाबरा.
Thank you. Again, I want to tell a story to you. If you think that you are in love, you are the greatest people on this planet. Love means not a personal love. You can love anything, everywhere. If you love a flower, if you love water, if you love sky, it's also love. So you can't define love in words, but one should have this. And अगर आप किसी से प्यार करते हैं तो आप देखेंगे कि कई बार आपका किया हुआ प्यार दूसरों के लिए अलग तरह से मैसेज लेकर आता है. आपने एक स्टोरी सुनी होगी, देयर वाज ए स्टोरी ऑफ ए प्रिंसेस, अ बैडमैन राक्षस एंड prince. There was a queen, there was a king, and he had a princess. She is very beautiful. Men come from jungle and see that see this princess and fall in love, and then he kidnapped this princess and kept in a kutia, a little hut in jungle. Then king announced that if anybody took my daughter, I will marry her to him. So many people try for this, but no success. Then this prince come and he have a army. He goes to his men to jungle, and then they inform him that there is a man in jungle who kept this princess, and he is very almighty, he is very powerful, so we can't fight him. But there is a secret. He have a parrot, and his life is in parrot. If somehow we can die the spirit, automatically this person died. So एक दिन चुपके से वो राजकुमार उस झोपड़ी में गया, जबकि वो अपने जिसको उसने कैद कर रखा था उसके लिए कुछ कंदमूल फल लाने गया था. देन प्रिंस उसने इस तोते की गर्दन दबोच दी और वो मर गया. जब when this person come and see that my parent died, he immediately died. And prince took this princess to king, and then the king think that he is a very he is a very brave person, and he married to her daughter. In this story, moral of the story is that the prince is not in love, but that person is in love. जब कई बार आप टास्क पूरा कर रहे होते हैं और आप समझते हैं कि आप प्यार कर रहे हैं, तो आप अनकंडीशनल जब तक नहीं होंगे तब तक प्यार नहीं होगा। ये तो बिल्कुल ठीक बात है। दूसरा जो मेरा चीज थी वो थी आर्ट्स मेक्स वर्ल्ड डिग्निफाइड। इफ यू क्रिएट समथिंग यू थिंक बोथ साइड एंड यू नो व्हाट इज राइट व्हाट इज रॉन्ग। If you create something, you create anything, you know what is the exact thing for making world entertain. You make hero, you make villains, you make memes, but inside you know what is right, what is wrong. Third thing, that is poetry. Poetry is like that. Poetry is not that you write in words. Poetry, it among the words, between the words, what you want to say is poetry. You want to say in words, but there is a space between words. This is poetry. So poetry is a myth. Poetry is a mystery. Poetry is a space. So if you feel poetry, if you our all epics in poetry, they are poetry, and we love either Odyssey or Mahabharata or Ramayana or Bible. They are, I think Bible is in poetry. It's not prose. Am I right? Because I read Bible in translation, so I don't know. But I think all our great epics is in poetry. So all these books, all these things makes us dignified. So if we want to dignify the world, we must fall in love. Rise in love. We must be artistic not in the sense of outside, artistic in the sense of inside. We must create poetry not in words, poetry in works. Thank you very much.
So we'll have lunch at 1:05, okay?